Good morning, students. Science. I teach you science. Class 10. Class 10. Your first lesson is lesson number first is chemical equation, chemical reaction and equation, chemical reaction and equation. First of all, we know about the chemical reaction, and before first we know about the science. So I will tell you about the first time science. What is science? All of you know about the science in previous classes. So I will be simply define the science. Science is a subject that means according to the practical. That means according to the practical. We need all the things, but how happen? ये कैसे हुआ? They declare by the science with experiment. You know, hydrogen plus oxygen is equal to H2O होता है. H2O water बनता है. तो who can define the H2O? Science define the H2O. So science is a simple language to react chemical bonding and physical bonding in with practically ensure. So science is clear. Then the lesson of first is chemical reaction. First of all, in science, see the heading of lesson. What tell us about? First, chemical. Second, reaction. And third, equation. So first, chemical. What is a chemical? All of you know about the element like hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, etc. Like as a chemical. In this lesson, we study about the chemical, how to react and how to manage a equation. So please let's start. First, chemical reaction. Chemical reaction means the particles who convert into a product, react and convert into a product. That means S plus O2 is equal to SO2. SO2. This reaction is called a chemical reaction. This reaction is called a chemical reaction. In simple language, two reactant react with each other and make a product. It's called chemical reaction. Then, what is chemical equation? What is chemical equation? In chemical equation, please hear seriously. In chemical equation means who define the simply form. A chemical reaction is defined in a simple form. Is called chemical equation. Like I will tell you about the sulfur with oxygen react each other and make the sulfur dioxide. Is called chemical reaction. We can write that in a simple form. S plus O2 is equal to SO2 with the arrow. Is called chemical equation. मेरे कहने का मतलब है chemical reaction के अंदर in chemical reaction we can write in the language form like sulfur plus oxygen reacted. But in chemical equation we can write in the symbol. Symbol sulfur like S, oxygen like O. Sulfur like S, oxygen like O. Then arrow is determine the direction. Where goes the direction? Right hand side. And product are made. This is called the chemical equation. Second example, I am telling to you carbon react with oxygen oxygen and product is carbon dioxide. What is this? ये क्या है? I will writing in a language. This is called the chemical reaction. Write the chemical equation of this reaction. So we can write them in the symbol. So symbol of carbon C, and symbol of oxygen O2. The product is CO2. In left hand side, in this equation, in left hand side, इसको बोलते हैं left hand side, LHS, are called reactant. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के अंदर जो होता है उससे क्या बोलते हैं हम? रिएक्टेंट. हिंदी में बोलते हैं इसको अभिकारक. एंड द RHS part of a chemical equation is called product. So simply we define the chemical reaction and chemical equation and property of chemical reaction and chemical equation based on the reactant and product. So chemical reaction, I will question to you, what is chemical reaction? So you will be answer me. Chemical reaction is the form of reactant that react each other and make product. In language is called chemical reaction. Example like carbon react with oxygen and product is carbon dioxide is called chemical reaction. Writing in a simple form is called chemical equation. So what is chemical equation? Carbon plus oxygen is equal to carbon dioxide. The left hand side is called reactant and right hand side is called product. Clear? Next. I will tell you how to react with each other. React with each other. Then firstly you know about the element. So what is element? The purest elements have one type of atom. You can tell us about the one type atom present in is called element. Example, hydrogen, helium and lithium. Minimum 30 element you will be learned. आपको कम से कम 30 एलिमेंट तक आपको याद होना चाहिए. क्लियर? अब देखते हैं हाउ टू रिएक्ट ए सिंपल फॉर्म. उसके बाद हम देखेंगे बिफोर आफ्टर the base type of the chemical equation and how many parts of the chemical reaction and equation. So please think. First of all, I will tell you Na plus Cl is equal to NaCl. Na plus Cl is equal to NaCl. हमने कह दिया Na सोडियम, Cl क्लोरीन, मेक सोडियम क्लोराइड. इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? बेसिक सोल्ट. NaCl इज ए बेसिक सोल्ट, साधारण नमक जो हम खाने में काम में लेते हैं. हाउ टू रिएक्ट द Na plus Cl and make NaCl? Can I write them in the Na plus Cl, NaCl2? Can I write them the Na2 plus Cl, Na2Cl? Can I write them the Na2 plus Cl2 is equal to Na2Cl2? we can do not write this equation because this equation is called wrong. ऐसा possible नहीं होता. तो how can I telling about you Na plus Cl is equal to NaCl is possible. So please thinking about the equation. I will tell you the answer of these questions. First of all, atomic number of Na is 11. Atomic number of Na is 11. Fill up the electron. Fill up the electron. 23 is the atomic mass. Then 11 Na 23. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन आपको करना है इसका. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में हमने पढ़ा था. स्टार्टिंग इज 281. 281 फर्स्ट टाइम आता है आपके सामने 2, सेकेंड टर्म्स 8 एंड थर्ड टर्म्स इज 8. बट आई विल फिल अप द 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बिकॉज काउंटिंग देम 2 और 8 10, 10 और 1 11. हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट इन Na? 11 electron present in Na. So we write them the 281. In class 9 you will be learn about the Newland-Octet rule. Newland-Octet rule. Newland tell us about the all the atom need 8 electron in outer shell. All the atom need 8 electron in outer shell. But we can see, हम यहाँ देख सकते हैं outer shell in 1 electron. Outer shell in 1 electron. So how can he could convert into the 8 electron? Then first terms take 7 electron. Second terms donate 1 electron. What is possible in simple form? क्या वो 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन लेगा या 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन देगा? तो द चांस इज गिवन बाय द डोनेट 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन. Donate 1 electron because 7 electron taking in very high energy. So he have not a high energy. It have not high energy. So Na what is doing? Na donate 1 electron. So write them in the Na donate 1 electron. Second, Cl 35.5. 17 atomic number and 35.5 is the atomic mass of chlorine. Write the electronic configuration. First 2, second 8, third 7. 8 or 2, 10, 10 or 7, 17. 10 or 7, 17. How many electron present in chlorine? 70 electron present in chlorine. So 70 electron present in chlorine. What it do? ये क्या करेगा? ये क्या करेगा? First terms 7 electron donate. Second terms 1 electron gain. What it do? ये क्या करेगा? फर्स्ट टर्म से 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करेगा, सेकंड टर्म से 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करेगा. मेरे कहने का मतलब है कि या तो 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन को बाहर निकालेगा या 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन को ले लेगा, क्योंकि ऑक्टेन रूल क्या कहता है? आउटर सेल में 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट होना जरूरी है. तो देखो व्हाट इज पॉसिबिलिटी? व्हाट इज पॉसिबल? 7 electron donate, 1 electron gain. We know that the 7 electron donating in the high energy level wanted. High energy level want. It need high energy level to donate the 7 electron. But 1 electron gain something energy level is needed. So chlorine is gain 1 electron. Cl gain 1 electron. Here. Next terms, write in simple form. Write in simple form. We can write them Na. We can write them Cl. What it Na do? Na do 1 electron, and Cl do 1 electron. Na donate कर रहा है. Na क्या कर रहा है? Donate. So donating group called positive. डोनेटेड ग्रुप कॉल्ड पॉजिटिव एंड रिसीवर ग्रुप इज कॉल्ड नेगेटिव। अर्थात जो इलेक्ट्रॉन को डोनेट करता है उस पर चार्ज कौन सा आता है, प्लस का, पॉजिटिव का। जो इलेक्ट्रॉन को रिसीव करता है उस पर चार्ज कौन सा आता है, नेगेटिव का या माइनस का। एंड रिएक्टेंट विथ ईच अदर, Na one time Na, Cl one time Cl. We can prove that the Na react with Cl, then the product is NaCl. The basic concept of the chemical reaction all of you know. Property of chemical reaction. Chemical reaction. Property of chemical reaction. First property, LHS part is called, LHS part is reactant. Reactant. Clear? Second terms, RHS part is product. RHS is a product. Third terms, between arrow line define the direction, define direction of chemical reaction, between arrow line, we know that the arrow line define the direction of chemical reaction, in direction forward, in direction backward. I will tell you about the equation and its type in next topic. Three property are needed to chemical reaction and chemical equation. ये तीनों प्रॉपर्टी होने पर हम क्या कर सकते हैं, ये केमिकल रिएक्शन बनेगी एंड केमिकल इक्वेशन बनेगी. यू कैन राइट इन योर नोटबुक. types of chemical reaction. Types of chemical reaction. First, addition reaction. Addition or combined reaction. Combined reaction. What is addition reaction and what is combined reaction? Addition means होता है ऐड करना, प्लस करना. Combine means भी प्लस करना. तो define is clear when the two atom combine and react with each other and make one product is called addition or combined reaction. When two or more atom react with each other and make one product is called addition reaction. So simple language हम कह रहे हैं दो और दो से ज़्यादा एटम जब आपस में जुड़ते हैं, एक दूसरे से क्रिया करते हैं, तो प्रोडक्ट कितना बनेगा? एक बनेगा। वन प्रोडक्ट इज डिफाइंड, इज कॉल्ड एडिशन एंड कॉम्बिनेशन या कंबाइंड रिएक्शन। एग्जाम्पल, फर्स्ट S plus O2, when two atoms and molecules present in the reactant and the product is SO2. This reaction is called addition reaction. Second example, C plus O2 is equal to CO2. Clear? N plus O2, N2 plus O2, N2 plus O2 is equal to 2NO. This reaction is called combination reaction. Clear? When two or more atoms react with each other and make one product is called addition and combination reaction. Write in your notebook. Second reaction is dissociation reaction. Or diffusion reaction. Diffusion reaction. What is the dissociation and what is the diffusion means? Dissociation means break. Diffusion means break. Diffusion means break. Simple language, when the one reactant break and two product is made. Opposite of the addition reaction. In addition reaction, we can tell us about the when the two reactants are react with each other and make one product is called addition reaction. But opposite of the dissociation reaction, when the one reactor break into the two product is made. In simple language, when the one reactant is broken and product is two or more than is called dissociation and diffusion reaction. Example, CO2 break in C plus O2. Opposite of the addition reaction, SO2 S plus O2, SO2 S plus O2 SO2. We see them in the reaction. One reactant break into the two or more product. It's called dissociation reaction. Dissociation reaction. Next time I will tell you about the other chemical equation. Write in your notebook and read carefully.